Last year, the Ford government passed legislation to expand private for-profit clinics.
They have made repeated announcements, expanding their privatization plans.
They are privatizing, chipping away at services that are provided in public hospitals and shunting it to the private sector.
On Friday afternoon around the midday, legislators at Queen's Park were paid a visit by a 15-foot-tall replica of the Trojan horse. The symbolic display, deployed by CUPE's Ontario Council of Hospital Unions and the Ontario Health Coalition. Speaking in front of the building, representatives from both groups say they want to see the Ontario government cancel plans to emphasize private service delivery in healthcare.
The Trojan horse is a metaphor, obviously, for a gift that was given to the city of Troy. Inside this particular gift was obviously soldiers. And in the evening, the soldiers came out and destroyed the city, and the city is no longer there. And the reason that we chose this is because we feel that the policy about the privatization of hospital services that the Ford government is telling the public is not a gift, and this is exactly what is going to happen to our healthcare.
Well, the government significantly stepped up spending on private clinics and on private nursing agencies in this last budget. So I think they are going to need a push, and we're hoping that by taking this conversation into many different communities across Ontario, we'll be able to give them the push they need.
Now, we did hear back from a spokesperson for the Minister of Health, who in a written statement says in part, Ontario is proud to have one of the largest publicly funded healthcare systems in the world, and under the leadership of Premier Ford, our government has made record investments in our publicly funded healthcare system. Since 2018, we've increased the healthcare budget by over 31%, investing over $85 billion into the system this year alone. The mostly steel and fiberglass horse will now go on tour to at least 60 communities across the province, including here in the GTA and as far away as Hawkesbury and Kenora. At Queen's Park, David Zura, City News.